I am Dr. Shamsul Huda MamunII, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology at the Akij Medical College, Khulna. Today we will discuss about the two organizations. There is one of BMDC and the another is BMA. BMDC means Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council. Every country has a regulatory body for the medical profession, such as like Aamc, Australian Medical Council in Australia, and Medical Council of India, that controls and regulates the medical professionals. As same in our country, the Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council, that is a government organization that controls the medical professionals by their some actions. And BMDC is established under the Medical Act, and it has some function that is about it standardized the medical education and standardized the medical qualification, giving registration to the medical professionals and issuing warning notice and prescribing a code of medical ethics. Medical education. What was done about medical education? The works is council maintained the requirements about medical education, such as accommodation, equipments, technical staffs and their qualification and other facilities. The BMDC inspect the various medical colleges and see those facilities are available or not. If the facilities is appropriate and available, then they have the good data presented to the government, and if the facilities are not appreciable, then advice to the government to withdrawal of the recognition of the medical college. And BMDC control the medical professionals by the giving a registration number when a doctor's passing final MBBS examination, and after completion of the 1-year internship training, then the doctors undergoing to the registration by the Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council. It is a government statutory body. It has some members are elected and some members are nominated. The chief of the organization is president, and then the vice president, those are elected by the members, those are nominated. And the nominated members are the Director General of Health Services, Director General of Family Planning, and one members from each government and non-government medical college. Those rank at or above level of associate professor. And BMDC takes some disciplinary actions against the doctors when they are involved in civil malpractice, such as absence of reasonable care and skill, and damage to the patient, bodily harm to the patient, and such as criminal malpractice, that is performing criminal abortion, adultery. And BMDC at first giving the warning notice for civil malpractice. In case of criminal malpractice, BMDC can erase the name and registration of a physician temporarily or permanently. When the BMDC erase the name and registration of a doctor permanently, that is called penal erasure or professional death sentence. And now we will discuss about the BMA. BMA, it is the Bangladesh Medical Association. It is a non-government association and all members are elected. They are working for the rights and privileges of the doctor. And now we will be discuss about students faces the question about the Bible board. What are the questions arises from the topic? The questions are, what is the government organization, BMDC or BMA? There is the BMDC is a government organization, and what is the power of BMDC, how it is controlled the medical professionals, already I have been discussed, and when BMDC erase the name and registrations of a physician, that I have been told before, that is criminal malpractice. When professionals or doctors doing criminal malpractice, then BMDC done permanent erasure from the registration of the doctors. And some questions arising from BMDC and corresponding universities. When the students at undergraduate level, before passing the MBBS examination, they are absolutely controlled by the universities, and after passing the MBBS examination, the certificate will be given by the corresponding universities. And how then the doctors getting their registration to the BMDC? And after passing the MBBS examination, the certificates of MBBS examination plus the 1-year internship completion certificates then apply to the BMDC and signature to the code of medical ethics, and then BMDC giving a registration number. And one question arises from the topic, what are the difference between BMDC and BMA? Already I have been told my previous discussion, this BMDC is a government organization and BMA is a non-government organization, and BMDC has some members are elected and some are nominated, but BMA all members are elected, and BMDC taking the regulatory action to the professionals, and BMA the rights and privileges of the medical professionals. Thank you very much.